Hi, I'm Marna and I'm spoiled. On Fridays, we have kind of a special day. My husband Darren, cameraman, video, everything. Producer, editor, sometimes he even steps in and corrects me as I speak. And we do have a lot of fun with our videos. Anyway, Fridays he takes me out and just really spoils me. We have a nice dinner out and we buy stuff. And lately it's been dolls, 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 and doll stuff. So I thought you'd like to see my dolls, 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 and doll stuff. Friday we left here and went to a couple garage sales before we went to the nearest bigger town. And I think I'm going to show you what we bought first, last, and there's a reason for that. But anyway, let me get started. We did go to Goodwill, and for my American girls, I got this little husky, nothing special. It is just a, I don't even see a brand on there to be honest, just a little husky for my sled dog scene this winter. He was normally $1, but they had 75% off, so a quarter, yeah, I'll spend that. They also had this cute little hat. Okay, I can do a lot with that for the upcoming Halloween decorations and crafts, so I bought it. It's marked $1, and I can't remember if this was marked down or not, but I thought, you know, it's worth $1 because the witches' hats in that size are hard to find. We went to Walmart. Actually, we went to a couple Walmarts, and I found some fun stuff. These were marked down to $2. Yes, Jennifer, $2. And I bought these for next year for my size dolls. And I thought they were kind of cute. Not as, I don't know, I like my dolls to dress more adult than juvenile, but not bad. I mean, this would be cute on one of my little princesses. And then it's got this cute little top with the little rainbows. I thought that was cute. I bought some beads. I might have ordered a Blythe doll, and that might be going on her string. We'll see. So that was fun. Oh, and I got these beads on clearance for 25 cents. So I got 3 matching because some Blythe dolls have 1 string, some have 2. I believe the one that I might have ordered has 2. So I got those. And then, what else did we get at Walmart? I was surprised. Oh, this is Joann's. This was a really fun find. You know, I do the crafts with the beginner crafters, and last year we made a backpack for Barbie. Now this would be for a bigger doll, but such a cute little thing. They're little keychains. They do open up. You know what? I'm surprised the sales girl didn't empty that. But at any rate, they open up and you can put Barbie stuff in it. Great place to store shoes. Because if you don't store shoes somewhere, you'll lose them. But if you add a little straps to the back, and it's easy to do. We'll do a video on that coming up. Anyway, I got a bag full. They were 75 cents each. Even if I don't use them for that, I will use these for something cute, 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 cute. But I did make sure I had one enough for each of my beginner crafters. And they also had, I don't know if you make doll shoes or not, or vests or jackets, and use vinyl. I do. Vinyl has gone through the roof in cost. I mean, it's averaging $25 a yard. So when I found this, it is cheaper, but I'm okay with that. This vinyl for $6.95 a yard at Walmart in brown, Brown is usually very expensive. Anyway, I bought it. That's also great for crafting. Set this to the side. Here's another Walmart. Oh, and they also, when I bought that vinyl, they had on clearance this nice, thicker, stretchy, which it's a little stretchy, but that's really good for doll crafts. Polar fleece, and I got the red for upcoming Christmas videos and crafts. You make a lot of stuff out of that. You make coats or Santa outfits, just all kinds of stuff. And then they also had, you know, I'm loving my 60 centimeter BJDs, and I might have another one or two coming. I might. And so I got these. I thought those were really cute. And same thing, you can make little backpacks out of them, and you can store their some of their little accessories in here. Their accessories are a little bigger, but I mean, you wouldn't store more than 2 pairs of shoes in there, and I don't know why you would, but you could. And these were only $1.50. I mean, that's a great deal. And they're cute as a keychain. I wouldn't use it, but a lot of people do. Just a hint, elastic in 2020 right now, and it's going to get worse again. It's so hard to find the thinner, doll-sized elastic. Walmart has this. They have that little rack in their sewing department or crafts department that has $1 items. Now, I haven't opened this, and it may be really cheap elastic, but it's elastic, and $1 for 3 yards, which is weird because there's a 4th one here, but it's not listed. So it could be 4 yards. I don't know, maybe it's a different size. Or maybe it's just doubled funny. But at any rate, $1, great deal. Okay. I like to do stuff that anybody can do. I like to encourage beginner crafters. So when I saw this, I thought, you know, there's 1,000 things I can do with that. And this was on sale at Joann's. I wish I could find the ticket because I'd like to tell you what I paid for them because I was quite surprised. But anyway, look in the clearance aisle at Joann's because they do have timely fabrics. These prints, the size of the print on here is a little large for most of my dolls. However, this is stretch knit, and you don't have to finish the edges, and like I always say, for beginner crafters, this is perfect. They also glow in the dark, which I didn't care about when I bought it, and it wasn't very inexpensive. This was like $12.99 a yard or $15 something a yard, and I thought, oh, but it was marked down 60 or 80%. I can't remember, but anyway, and then we brought it home, and as I was walking in to put it in the parlor, I was looking in the bag, and every one of these little spider webs lit up, and it was so cool, it made me laugh, and I thought, well, okay, that was worth, I think I paid just over $5, or I don't know, it was about $5 a yard, and when I bought this yard, there was, if there's any left over at Joann's right now, they just give it to you, and I got like a yard and I think it was 5/8. I was really surprised. Anyway, fun crafting fabric. I'll have something to use for Halloween. You will see that again. And we went to Hobby Lobby. We did not buy a lot there, but I have been wanting to make I always look in their clearance too at Hobby Lobby. I did find something, but not too exciting. I bought a picture frame and a candlestick holder to make a table for my BJD and or my 18-inch American Girl, Our Generation, those type dolls. Tea set holder for a little tea party, and I'm going to make a little, I'm going to show you how to do this and show you how to make a tablecloth for this to make it a little fancier. They also had, these were just kind of fun, and you know, my beginner crafters are like me. They have a sense of humor, and I like to send them a variety of stuff. And I like for them to be surprised at the silly stuff in it sometimes. And I always seem to, I don't know why, but I always seem to lose googly eyes. I put them in a, you know, I wrap them back up so they're not falling out, and then I put them up, and then I forget where up is. Now I have a place for them. But at any rate, these were really inexpensive. Like these have, I don't know if you can see that or not, but these are blue and green and orange and yellow and silly as they can be. And these are tiny, 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 and I like that. Now look at these. These are like sleepy eye Google eyes, and they do move. So just something silly. And they were really cheap, so I bought those. I have to tell you about my bag. My daughter-in-law gave me this great big bag because it has bikes on it, and I love everything with bicycles. Darren and I are cyclists. And I put this in the front seat on the floor, and as I go to Goodwill, who doesn't give bags anymore, it's so stupid, or garage sales, I just put everything in here and then I pick it up and bring it in. So let's unveil this. We went to Goodwill and I got a couple of wigs, which I'm not going to wear myself. I'm real funny about putting people's hats and stuff on my head, but that will make a doll wig. For who, I don't know yet, but I can cut those. Let me put this upside down so we can see it. I can take these wefts, which is what you call a line of hair, and sew those into or glue those into a smaller doll's wig. So that was kind of fun, and I like that burgundy color. And they also had this one. This one was also $1, and this one I really like. This will make fun doll wigs, and again $1, and it's worth it for the wefts. You can do all kinds of stuff with that. So anyway, I bought those, and a third one. This one I'm not going to open. It is gray. It was $2, and it was never used. It is still in the original packaging. It still has the netting and everything in it. So I'm not going to open that right now. This is adorable. This is, let me move this. This is pleather. It's better than vinyl, but not leather. And so is the lace at the bottom. How cute will that be on one of my Barbies? Found this in the little girls department. It was $3, which is more than I normally spend, but it's a lot cuter than I usually find. I thought that was really cute. And look at these little shoes I found. I think, I was playing with these in the store. I think I can make that work. These Velcro up the back. And I think I can make that work so that the foot is forward one of the Barbies, because they have those flatter feet than a little fat baby. And I say little fat baby lovingly because that's how they're supposed to be. They're supposed to have that baby fat. And make that work for one of my 3-foot Barbies. I thought that was cute. And that's it in the bag. We had gone to a garage sale earlier and they had a free thing. I hang my laundry on that. Look at these. Two for $1. Aren't these beautiful? It's wire, and I don't know if you can see the sparkle in that, but they've got some sort of light glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but if not, it's there. But I thought those would really be cute for some Barbie decorations or even just around the house. I really like them. They're like elegant. 2 for a quarter. Yeah, I'll pay that. And then for another quarter, I got this cute basket. BJD size or American Girl, just any of those 18-inch size dolls. This might also work, it might, for some of the Monster High dolls. It's a little small for the 28-inch, and I think it's a little big for the 17-inch or that size doll, but it'll work for a bunch. That was a quarter. And then I found this. I thought this was so cute. 25 cents, or 10 cents actually. This was on the 10-cent table. It says, "Our family." It's just a little photo album. And I thought, well, how cute is that to have as a prop for either, probably the 18-inch dolls, your American Girl, My Life As. You could even take a American Girl catalog and cut out some pictures and put those on the pages of this little photo album. Thought that was cute. And then what I think was the prize of the day, but so dirty, it's going right over to my sink when this video is done, and my counter's getting disinfected. But for 50 cents each, I found not only Chrissy, but also velvet. And I want to believe they work, but they were so dirty, I did not even try them. If you're unfamiliar with these dolls, these are vintage dolls. I believe 1960s, it could have been 70s, but I can't swear to either one. They have this dial that you dial the hair. They have this hair extension that goes, you dial it shorter and dial it out, and it has a rod inside the doll that the hair rides on. And this was Chrissy, and she was the big deal, and then they came out with velvet. So I was happy to find those for 50 cents a piece. And then this girl, was sitting there for $2, and I danced around it. I don't need any more trolls, but $2 is such a good buy. So the lady said, "Well, would you take it for $1?" And I said, "Yeah, I sure will." So I'm headed to the sink to wash up a couple dolls and disinfect my counter. Thank you for watching. Get out there, the sales are great. Check Walmart, check Hobby Lobby, check Joann's, and see what you can find for the upcoming Halloween. So much you can do with just a small piece of fabric and have a good time with your dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I always love reading your comments. I really appreciate it when you drop me a note. Have a good day.